Hi, my name is Michael Thomas, and I'm Maintenance Supervisor for Lincoln Military Housing. My company, Lincoln Military Housing, provides a service to military families that are enlisted. So we have to make sure that providing that this home is perfect. So when they walk into their homes, they have a perfect home, they have a perfect place for them and their families. We come in and we stay to the right. And we touch every switch, every blind slat to make sure that they're all working properly. And we're just gonna lead our way right around to every corner, make sure we don't miss anything. We're on call 24/7 for them, making sure our families are taken care of. First and foremost, we take care of the daily operations, the HVAC units, the furnaces, plumbing, no rusted baskets, make sure there's no deteriorating parts. Becoming a BMR, you're basically gonna take care of families. So the skills that I have are HVAC skills, plumbing skills, geothermal units. We work on heat pumps, we work on gas furnaces here, we work on electrical stoves. Basically what I do when I turn these on is make sure that they all ignite, make sure that I'm getting a good flame. The ideal team member will be someone that's able to perform under pressure, because we do get busy. Someone that's able to have great communication skills. Someone that's a problem solver, that's well-rounded. Someone that's also willing to learn, because our technology changes. What we're looking at here is our phone and internet and Ethernet. It's definitely rewarding for me to know that someone that's serving our country is gonna be living here for however long. But that's a great feeling, and that's what I come here every day for.